Come on, we gotta get to work.
She'll be here.
Seriously, we gotta go.
She'll be here.
Isn't she pretty? My first car.
My car was your first car.
I mean, if we're including cars I've stolen, this is probably like my fifth.
What?
Joke.
You are gonna take it to the mechanic though, right? You never know what these cars have been through.
Yeah, Tim set me up with this guy.
What? He did?
Yeah.
Oh, you have a heart after all.
Oh, relax. Okay, it was purely self-interest. You would be a total drag to ride with if she died in a fireball of mangled metal in the 405. Joe.
What's going on? I am not getting my new car back, am I?